welcome back to the Crypto Market Updates channel. Today is the 14th of September and it's been just over a week of mining MEOWCOIN on my RX 580 GPU. So today I'm gonna go over the details, how it's doing, how much I'm making. So make sure to stick around till the very end, smash up the likes on this video, subscribe to the channel. Here we go. I've been mining MEOWCOIN with Wooly Pulley because that's where it popped up for me when I went to look for what to mine with my 580 GPU that occasionally sits around in the middle of the night unused while I hit the sack. So Wooly Pulley was the website that was very easy to use. If you don't know Wooly Pulley, check it out. You can go over to calculator. I think if you type in what to mine, you get the results. There are only two sites that provide you with this kind of service, and Wooly Pulley is one of them, and it's I found it to be very easy to use. Here, if you go to hardware, I think this was the first one. Yeah, if you go to calculator and GPU, for example, if you want to find out how much your particular GPU would be making or what you should be mining, you could do that. And for me, it would be the AMD RX 580, which I have one of right now. I have a second one, which I haven't been able to plug in, and it spits out the best coins to mine with that particular GPU. 9 days ago, it was MEOWCOIN. Right now, it's Chlor. I don't know what Chlor is. I haven't checked it out. Raven, everybody knows. In any case, if you go over to MEOWCOIN, you can enter your wallet address right in here. It shows you all the stats. So right now, there are 458 miners online. Payout is 100 MEOWCOINs. There's a 0.9% fee. Network difficulty is at 916, and there's 65 gigahash per second being mined on the MEOWCOIN. You can enter your wallet address in here, and that'll take you to your stats. So right now, my miner is running right now. It's at 9.85 mega hash per second, which isn't very high. The average hash rate is about 12. Sometimes it peaks at 15. I think I've seen 20 mega hash per second, but this is the average between 10 and 15 mega hash per second on the RX 580. And so that generates about 3,260 MEOWCOINs for week as indicated, and my total for the month is 3,847 MEOWCOINs, which hasn't been an entire month. It's only been 9 days. I think I started mining at around the 5th, I believe. I've been using the MEOWCOIN core wallet because it's very easy to use. It's very easy to set up. It's similar to the one that uses the core wallet from Monero. Actually, the exact same thing. And so the first payment that I received was on the 5th. And then other payments, and so on average it's 100, sometimes 103, 102 MEOWCOINs. I have not been mining consecutively, so actually the amount that you would have received, I would have received if I had been mining every single day consecutively, would have been higher. I was having some issues with the computer. I was trying to add another GPU, and so that wasn't working out very well, so which is why I had to power it down over the weekend, 1 or 2 days. So yeah, so in any case, that's the result. So per week, about 3,260 MEOWCOINs, and this is the average. So that's not too bad at all. Now the question, I guess, remains, why bother mining the MEOWCOIN? And let's be clear, this coin is not going to make millionaires. It's just not going to happen. MEOWCOIN right now is 0.00013 cents, which is actually better than Luna Classic, but it does have a much smaller supply. The circulating supply of the MEOWCOIN is 1.5 billion. Maximum supply is 21 billion tokens, which is a lot. However, it is a deflationary token. They are burning tokens. You can't see it, but right now they've burned 2.1 billion tokens burned so far, which is well, it's pretty good considering that the project's been around for a very relatively short time. There's a Discord. They do have stuff on GitHub. There's a white paper, and of course there's mining. And they partnered up with some groups: Forgotten Animals, Heavenly Pets, Paris Place, Heaven on Earth, and Flux Labs, and so on and so forth. They receive donations, and it's a worthwhile project, obviously, to save animals. But the reason why I say that this will not make millionaires, other than maybe the founders of this project, is simply because, you know, it's not a meme project. It doesn't carry enough fundamentals, as Ivan on Tech would say, like, for example, the Pepe coin or Doge or any other coin that, you know, that had its time in the limelight over the past few years. In any case, I think we could possibly see some movement. The trading volume is only $53,000. Market cap is of $212,000. And the reason why I think it's so low, one of the reasons is why it's so low, it's because it's available on like only one exchange right now, Trade Ogre, which is relatively unknown. Finance X, I've never heard of Finance X, and so it's a very relatively unknown platform. So if you go to, I found an article here on Medium, and Finance X, exchange made simple. Finance is a global digital asset trading platform with the global fiat systems. Finance X allows users to use local currency fiat from different countries such as Vietnam, Laos, Thailand, Indonesia, Myanmar for transactions. And it makes sense, I guess. I don't know where it's located, but these are the countries where this project would be taking place. The MEOW project, I think that's the place where I guess most animals, most cats to be rescued would find themselves. So it makes sense that this project allows. Here's a team, co-founder and chairman S. Ota Chaintrans, Peter Din. So they look Vietnamese, and Mr. Nguyen, which is a very common Vietnamese name, it seems. So these guys created this project. It's a Vietnamese-based project. And it looks solid. It's fun to mine. Again, my profits for this past week are minuscule. Literally, the equivalent of what I've mined is 53 cents. So it took me about 9 days to mine 53 cents, which is not a lot. Who knows? Maybe this coin will go up in during the bull run, but don't expect to be making millions from it. In any case, if you are, you know, if you want to help the cats, you can make a donation to the website, to the project, or get involved in mining, and they do take donations. So you can send them donations or get involved in mining and help out this way. There is a Twitter account. They have a Twitter account. You can find them on Twitter under MEOWCOIN, and also there is a Meow Emporium, which is a NFT platform, but it doesn't seem to be working very well for some strange reason. The chat is not very recipient to my queries. All I get is unavailable server and errors. So, but the Meow Emporium is live. There is a bunch of cats here. You can, they're all in Meowcoin prices. This one looks kind of cool. The rest, meh. Here at the bottom, there is a couple of purple cats. Those look pretty good. I'll give this guy a like. I guess I gotta sign in first. In any case, so that's it. That's it for this little update. Look at that. My CPU or GPU right now is at 16 mega hash, almost 17 mega hash. So that's pretty nice. So if you want to get involved in MEOWCOIN mining, then you can do that through Wooly Pulley. It's pretty easy to set up. The instructions are very easy to follow. And other than that, make sure to smash up the likes on this video if this was informative. Subscribe to the channel. If you think it's worth mining MEOWCOIN, then go right ahead. And then I will see you in the next video. Who knows where it's going to take us. See you in the next one. Peace.